Maisip ko lang yun, ha? Nasa YouTube video yata.
I'm Sam. I can do this job. I will.
Gusto ko mag-qualify for the first time.
Ano naman tong Roblox na to? Napaka-OA. Bawal sabihin yung ano. YouTube lang naman yun.
They give you the property in Egypt. What do you do? They give you the property. I bought a property in Egypt. Property.
Siguro 2 chance. Kapag ubos na yung chance mo, malulus mo yung account mo na. Kasi nabasa ko kasi if you do that again, you lose your account. Ganun. Oo nga. Pero hindi ko naalala. Basta ganun. Dito muna ako daw.
It's like they're ready to because I bought a property. I bought a property.
Namatay ako sa
What
inyo,
they
ah.
do for you is they give you the property. They give you the property. See, I bought a property in Egypt. Is they give you the property in Egypt, and what they do for you. I bought a property in Egypt, and what they do for you is they give you the property.
So, sorry guys. Gusto mo gawa ko? Ay, wag na.